how to use the FotMob app. So first of all, you can go to your Play Store or App Store and then install the app directly, and then start off by choosing or follow your teams. So let's say we have Croatia over here. Any random team that you prefer. In our case, that was just a random one, so don't go crazy. Then you can follow them to personalize your feed basically. So you have follow the leagues over here, the all competitions, then just go ahead and press on next. Select your favorite players as well, but if you don't have any, you can go ahead and press on next. Anyways, to really get most of the app, you can enable most of the permissions or all of the permissions, but the main one is going to be the notifications, since you'll be able to get match updates, which can also be customized later, so allow those. Anyways, you can also explore sections like the news, you have the leagues as well, the following if you have more of them. But anyways, you'll be able to see news for the recommendations depending on what you followed as well. But you can also go to your matches here. So let's say you open up this one from Brazil. We have Drazerins versus ACA. You can tap any match to view detailed stats, lineups, and live documentary if it's available for that one, making it easy to track games in real time even if you're not watching. But you can go ahead and explore the FotMob app if you'd like. It's pretty user friendly and easy to use. So hopefully the information of this video can help you though. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.